No matter how well you take care of your camera gadgets, you might need to occasionally clean them. But camera gadgets are sophisticated devices, and thus, if you try to clean them without knowing the actual procedure, you might damage those precious gadgets. And if you are wondering how to clean your lenses, then this video is just for you. We are going to discuss everything about lens cleaning, including the tests required to identify dust to the right of cleaning. So let's get started. Let's start with the easiest part, cleaning your lens. To check if your lens needs cleaning, just check the front and rear elements of the lens. Additionally, you can open up the aperture and see through the lens to check if you can find any dust particles. If there is no visible particle, you probably don't need to clean it. But if you find something, you might need to clean your lens with a proper cleaning kit. A cleaning kit usually comes with an air blower, a soft brush, a piece of microfiber cloth, and a moist wipe. Before you start cleaning, hold your lens upside down to an approximate 45-degree angle, because it is not only convenient to hold your lens while cleaning it, but it also helps dust particles to fall down out of the lens. After that, you can start cleaning with the air blower. Then you can also use the brush while holding the camera in the same upside down position. This will be enough to get rid of bigger and less stubborn dust particles. You have to be careful while brushing the lens. You have to maintain the same direction of the brush rotation and finish brushing the whole front glass of the lens in one go. Then you can again see through the lens to check for dust. If you find any visible particle, you proceed further with the cleaning liquid and microfiber cloth. And you shouldn't apply the cleaning liquid directly to the lens. Rather, you should apply the liquid to the microfiber cloth and then gently rub the front optics of the lens. Another thing to keep in mind is that the sequence that has been mentioned here should be maintained accordingly. If you start with rubbing with the microfiber cloth, it might cause spots or abrasion on your lens because of the dust particles on the lens. So always use the blower and the brush to remove those particles first. Now once you have done cleaning your lens, it's time to take proper care of your lens so that you don't have to clean it too frequently. Speaking of cleaning lenses too frequently, it might cause abrasion marks and other complications to your lens, so you should not be cleaning it too often. As for maintaining the hygiene of your lens, you can use a dry box to keep your lens from fungal growth. Apart from that, you should be careful while traveling with your lenses, especially if the place you are going to has a different weather condition. In that case, you can use an airtight plastic bag and silica gel pack. It will help keep your lens dry and free of water vapor. So that was all about how you can clear your lens. Hope now you have a good understanding of cleaning your lens. But still, if you are not confident enough of cleaning your lens by yourself, you should take your lens to a professional for the best results. So did you find this video helpful? Or do you know some more tips about cleaning lenses? Let us know in the comment section.